Welcome to the Eighth Wonder. Today's episode will be on one new energy stock added to my 13,000 Robinhood portfolio, which is Marathon Petroleum. But before I go into details on my newest addition, today's market, pretty much I'm a long-term investor, so I don't look at the live, the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month, the 3 month, the 1 year. Those are for pretty much day traders, swing traders. I'm a long-term value investor, so I go for the all right here. So, and then that's how I pretty much gauge my portfolio. And as of now, I'm at 9.64%. I haven't hit 9. I hit 9 last year, but this is the first time this year that I've hit 9.64. I'm up $1,155. So I mean, my portfolio is rocking, and I'm building it brick by brick. So there's no rush for it. That I got rid of the anxiety to just try to build wealth so quick, and there's a stigma that a lot of people are under, that they have to build this portfolio. If this making like cents or dollars, it pretty much people don't even realize it. But I'm going more in depth, and the way I'm organizing my portfolio as of now, I have 154 assets, which consist of stocks, ETFs, and REITs. And then I have 6 cryptocurrencies. And with those 6, so pretty much combined assets that I have with Robinhood are 160 assets that are assets under management. So, okay, the way I'm starting to break down my portfolio, Robinhood doesn't. I mean, it does a good job of giving me information, but I've noticed that I have to dig in a little deeper to find more information. So, these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These first 6 stocks are my monthly paying stocks, and I just found out that the Dow Jones Industrial Average pays out monthly. So that's my highest paying monthly stock that pays monthly. So that's the way I've organized it here. And then after my monthly paying dividends, pretty much these are my newest additions. So from 56 MPC all the way down to 37 cents are my newest additions. And then Google and everything going down from that is pretty much what I've already had in store long term. As you can see, there's just one share of each company, and it ranges from valuation from the highest to lowest, as you can see, as we're going down just a little briefly. So, and I organize it daily. So, and explore. So I'm able to explore, and I invest in the globe, in the world. So everything in the world is in here. And then here are my 6 cryptos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ETC, Ethereum Classic, I own 1 Ethereum Classic, and then Dogecoin, I own 956. The other 4 remaining, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and then Bitcoin, I own just fractions of it. I don't own how I own Ethereum Classic and Dogecoin. As you can, I own a coin of those, but the other 4, they're just too expensive, so I own a fraction of cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrencies, I know a lot of people are afraid of it, but I just invested $10 in each of these coins, just to get the feel of it, what it's like, what it's about. So I mean, that's just there just to have it growing within my portfolio. So those assets are also added into the total to make it that 13,000. Okay, so let's jump into it. Today's episode is going to be on Marathon Petroleum, and I'm going to go into some history on it that I've found out like pretty interesting. So MPC. So I'm going to shrink me down. Okay. So Marathon Petroleum is currently at market price $56.36. And go to the 5-year. As you can see, the little upward trend peaked about $84.51 on October 5th, 2018. 95% of analysts agree that Marathon Petroleum is a buy. 5,059 people own Marathon Petroleum on Robinhood. So we went over the market price. I bought in at $55. I'm up 2.21%. So I'm all about these slow gains, day by day. Nothing fast. Like anything, if I was into like real quick gains, I would be more into tech. But this is just pretty much a solid. I'm building my portfolio to weather any the good and the bad. Well, really the bad, because in good everybody's doing good. So pretty much to weather the bad, and then once the good comes around, it's already skyrocketing. So about Marathon Petroleum Corporation, also called Marathon Petroleum, is an independent petroleum product refiners, marketers, and transporters in the United States. The company operates through the following segments: refining and marketing, retail, and midstream. The refining and marketing segment refines crude oil and other feedstocks at its refineries in the Gulf Coast and Midwest regions of the United States. Purchases ethanol and refined products for resale and distributes refined products through various means, including barges, terminals, and trucks that the company owns or operates. The retail sells transportation fuels and convenience products in the retail market across the United States through company-owned and operated convenience stores, primarily under the Speedway brand, and long-term fuel supply contracts with direct dealers who operate locations mainly under the Arco brand. The midstream transports, stores, distributes, and markets crude oil and refined products principally for the refining and marketing segment via refining logistics, assets, pipelines, terminals, towboats, and barges. Gathers, processes, and transports natural gas and gathers, transports, fractionates, stores, and markets NGLs. Marathon Petroleum was founded in 1887 and is headquartered in Findlay, Ohio. So that's another thing that attracted me to this company. Was it's any company that I've seen that's been around since the 1800s and still going today. To me, that's just more of motivation to purchase a share in the company. The current CEO is Gary R. Heminger. Employees 60,350. Headquarters Findlay, Ohio. Founded in 1887. Market cap $37.66 billion. PE ratio 10.87. Dividend yield 3.12. So buy 95%, hold 5%, sell 0%. So as you can see, I bought on the 2nd of July. So let me go more in depth with Marathon Petroleum. A little history. Marathon Petroleum. Marathon Petroleum Corporation is an American petroleum refining, marketing, and transportation company headquartered in Findlay, Ohio. The company was a wholly owned subsidiary of Marathon Oil until a corporate spinoff in 2011. See, I did interesting stuff. Following its acquisition of Endeavor on October 1st, 2018, but Marathon Petroleum became the largest petroleum refinery operator in the United States, with 16 refineries and over 3 million barrels per day of refining capacity. Marathon Petroleum ranked number 41 on the 2018 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by total revenue. So I'm going to look at the operations a little bit. As you can see, the company owns 16 refineries with a total crude oil throughput of about 3 million barrels per day. So as you can see, the 16 different refineries: Washington, Ohio, Kentucky, Michigan, North Dakota, El Paso, New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Alaska, California, North Dakota, California, Illinois, Utah, Minnesota. The Speedway LLC retail chain, which includes approximately 4,000 retail outlets, is the second largest chain of company-owned and operated retail gasoline and convenience stores in the United States. Leasehold or ownership interest in approximately 8,400 miles of petroleum pipelines and 5,000 miles of natural gas and natural gas liquids pipelines, as well as related transportation and distribution assets such as rail cars, barges, and processing terminals. A 20.4%, including a controlling 2% general partner. Okay. A public master limited partnership that owns pipelines and other midstream assets related to the transportation and storage of crude oil. Man, I missed. Wow. History. Okay, this is the interesting part. I'm just going to go over the former parent company history. Marathon Petroleum Corporation was formed on November 9th, 1998 as a subsidiary of Marathon Oil. This is the interesting information I wanted to give you guys. Former parent company, Marathon Oil. The company's former parent dates back to 1887. When several small oil companies in Ohio banded together to form the Ohio Oil Company. In 1889, it was purchased by John D. Rockefeller's Standard Oil. It remained a part of Standard Oil until the Standard Oil Trust was broken in 1911, right before the creation of the Federal Reserve System, which was 1913. The Ohio Oil Company bought the Transcontinental Oil Company and established the Marathon brand name. In 1962, the company changed its name to Marathon Oil Company from 1982 until 2002. Marathon Oil was a subsidiary of U.S. Oil. Interesting. In 2011, Marathon Oil announced a spin-off of its downstream refining and marketing assets to separate company called Marathon Petroleum Corporation. So here's just some information on Marathon Petroleum. Interesting company. What caught my eye really about when I'm doing my research is when I find companies that date back so long, they have this history. So I pretty much like to read about it and get over the fear of investing, because everything now is investing in the latest trend. Everything is tech. Everybody's into fast growth tech, so that's where everybody's money's at. Mine is pretty much throughout the whole entire global stock market. So it's in energy, it's in tech, it's in defense contracting, it's in pharmaceuticals, it's in travel, home improvement. I mean, the list go. Now I've got countries where I'm investing in: Turkey, Africa, all through Europe, emerging markets, developed markets. So it's a whole breakdown on that. So let's get back to the homepage. Ooh, 999, huh? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 plus 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 equals 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. No, 9 9 9 9 9 9, something like that. Until tomorrow, I'll see you guys. Tomorrow's Investors Mindset, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, it's stocks, ETFs, and REITs. Saturdays is all about cryptos, and Sundays is investing in physical precious metals. Peace. This is the eighth world. This is the eighth wonder of the world. Peace.